Hello, today we'd like to take the opportunity of demonstrating the VALEZUS T2100 from Riso, the world's fastest cut sheet colour printer. Capable of 320 pages a minute or 19,200 per hour, the VALEZUS is suitable for a wide range of both short and long run applications. The configuration we see here is under 4.8 meters long and requires an installation space of only 3.6 square meters. The VALEZUS T2100 offers unrivaled productivity in such a compact footprint. But let's have a closer look at the machine, and we'll start with the front end. The VALEZUS T2100 has its own dedicated controller, the Alpha Stream. This very powerful controller is suitable for a wide range of data streams and workflow types. For example, it can be configured to work with PostScript and/or PDF and IPDS AFP. The Alpha Stream offers all the features you'd expect from a controller of this caliber. But what we're going to do now is release a job and see the machine in action. Before we discuss individual aspects of the machine, let's have a quick look at this cutaway clip. Here we can see an image of the static inkjet heads, which span across the full print width of the printer. In the T2100, we use full CMYK inks, plus a grey for image enhancement. This overall view of the machine highlights the straightforward paper path with individual print engines for each side of the sheet. Please note the complete lack of any heat drying or fusing components. These are not required with Riso inkjet technology. The T2100 we see here is in one of the configurations available. This is the twin tray feeder, consisting of two feeder trays, 4,000 sheet capacity in each, with air assistance for precise and controlled feeding. When printing, the sheets are first separated by side airflow, and the top sheet is then captured by the vacuum belt, which presents it to the machine. With a maximum paper size of over SRA3 and weights of up to 210 GSM, the twin trays offer the user the ability to reload on the run for continuous production. The VALEZUS T2100 also offers the option of a roll to cut sheet feeder. With the VALEZUS T2100 now printing at 320 pages a minute duplex, we're going to switch to the internal camera to see the sheets being delivered and the jogging action that makes for a very, very precise stack. At the delivery section, the VALEZUS T2100 is fitted with two individual stacker, each with a 4,000 sheet delivery capacity. If, for example, you were feeding to the stacker number 2, stacker number 1 can be easily unloaded, sheets taken away, allowing for complete continuous production. So therefore, with the feed being able to be loaded on the fly and the delivery also being able to be unloaded on the fly, you can maximize your productivity and have continuous production. At the very heart of the machine is the unique Riso inkjet technology. Riso ink, developed in our own R&D department, is an oil-based pigment ink and requires no heat or fusing in order to dry onto the paper. This unique technology is common across all Riso inkjet devices. Being a cold process, it means that the machine requires far less maintenance and far more uptime and productivity. The printed image is permanent on the sheet and almost impossible to remove without damaging the actual paper surface itself, making it tamper evident and very suitable for personal and financial data. Being a cold process, the sheets come out completely flat with minimal static, no curl, making it very, very suitable for post-print operations such as envelope insertion, collation, etc., etc. Another key feature of all Riso inkjet devices is the superb colour consistency, which is achieved without the need for regular calibration. which assures you that colour drift will not occur regardless of run length. All this is achieved with incredibly low power consumption. For example, the long run you just saw, high speed, the machine was consuming 1300 watts in use. Compare that power figure to other high volume production printers and you will see just how economical the T2100 is. The compact footprint and the fact it doesn't require any special power, it doesn't require any special ventilation, makes the Velezus T2100 an extremely easy machine to install and place in any working environment.